Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will review Tubbs Pacer. Now, during he is obviously based on 1977 AMC Pacer, and he's the leader of the Pacer family. He's voiced by Brad Lewis, his first, and I believe only appearances in Cars 2. Now there's also let's see here. During Cars 2, and the other main heads of the three Lemon families, Gremlin, Trunkov, and Hugo, tend to meeting about discrediting the All-in-All by using the radiation disguised camera to crash out the races in the World Grand Prix that used the fuel, and ensure that all cars keep using the conventional fuel to secure the profits of the Lemon organisation, who managed to secure the largest unexplored oil resources in the world. Tubbs is seen smiling at the end and can't wait. Tubbs was soon respected as the leader of the Pacer family, much unlike his previous history. Tubbs was part of the plan to sabotage the World Grand Prix and helped the other families in the attempt to destroy the all-in-all fuel, along with Lightning McQueen. Yep, that's correct. Because they attempted to kill Lightning McQueen, but Fillmore swapped out the all-in-all for his organic fuel, so luckily he didn't die. Near the end of the film, Tubbs gets spray painted by Ramon. Yeah, in the eyes as well. Ouch. After being ambushed by the Radiator Springs crew in London, he tries to escape with the remaining lemons, but is arrested on the spot by Sarge and with the British military, and was taken to prison. Woo! Tense. Now, let's look at his design. As you can see, he's like I said, he's a AMC Pacer. He's tan and white. No, tan and brown, sorry. Grey rims. You can see the bumpers falling off. Which is, well, they're called lemons for a reason. Black door panels, which on this anyway, it's just stickers. And, this is actually a 2023 release, so, which means that, and he was released alongside with another lemon. Right here, Vladimir Trunkov. Like, let's see, another Vladimir, I know. Vladimir. His surname starts with P and ends with N. Him, the Russian dude. You know what I'm talking about. Here goes a number plate, AMC Pacers, 705BN. Not sure what that means. BN7, I don't know. And if you're interested, here's the base. Disney Pixar, made in Thailand, Mattel. Yeah, it's just standard stuff, really. I think that's pretty much all there is to say. So goodbye, and subscribe to me and Mr. Docket. Uncle Roger!